Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert Figma Designs to HTML and CSS for free using a quick and easy method. So this can be helpful if you already have a finished design and you want to turn it into code without creating everything manually from the beginning. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open Figma and go to the project that you want to convert. And before continuing, make sure the design is complete and that the layers are properly arranged. So this will help the plugin understand the layout more clearly and generate better results. Next, go to the top left corner of Figma and click the main menu icon. Cursor over the plugins option, then choose Manage Plugins. And once the plugin page opens, use the search bar and type Great Front End and select the plugin from the results. Then click Run to open it inside your current Figma file. And after the plugin opens, return to your design and click the frame, group, or section that you want to export. And the plugin will scan the selected design and generate the matching HTML and CSS code. You can then review the generated code and copy it into your development project. And keep in mind that you may still need to make small changes to the code depending on your design. But this method gives you a faster starting point. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.